Alrighty, everyone. So this is our last problem together. So take a moment to read through the prompt. Hit pause on the video. Okay, let's go ahead and start solving. So what we're essentially trying to find is the altitude of the two guys once they reach the top of the mountain. So we're trying to find this right here. And we're going to go ahead and call this X. And that's going to be really helpful to us because, as the problem told us, these two guys are climbing a mountain in the shape of a right triangle. When I draw that altitude in, I see that I've got another right triangle right here. And I see that I also have a right triangle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and redraw those yellow and green triangles that I just re-highlighted on the side. I'm going to orientate them in the same way so that it's easier to work with this problem. Okay, so in the yellow triangle, I see that 5 is going to be one of my shorter sides, so I'm going to label the smaller leg 5, and the other leg is going to be X. In the green triangle, X is actually the smaller leg, so I'm going to put X down here, and 20 is the larger leg, so I'm going to put this here. All right triangles are going to be similar to one another. And so what we can do is we can set up a ratio. So because these two triangles, well, not all right triangles are similar to one another, but these two triangles are similar to each other. And so because these two yellow and green triangles are similar to each other, we can set up a proportion. So we know 5 corresponds with X in the green triangle, and X corresponds with 20 in the green triangle. So what I'm doing is I put my yellow triangle in my numerator and I put the green triangle in my denominator. Now that I've got a proportion set up, I can cross multiply. So I'm going to do 5 times 20 and set that equal to X times X, which is X squared. So 5 times 20 is going to give us 100 equals X squared. To undo that square, we're going to take the square root on both sides. The square root of 100 is 10, and so X equals 10, which means that they are 10 miles from the base of the mountain. Their altitude is 10 miles up.